It begins deep in the warm, humid soils of South and Southeast Asia, where the ginger plant first pushed its tender shoots toward the sun. For over 5,000 years, its knotted, golden rhizome has been treasured as more than just a spice. It was a healer, a protector, a secret weapon in kitchens and apothecaries alike. In ancient China, ginger was not simply eaten. It was prescribed by scholars of medicine to warm the body, ignite digestion, and awaken the senses. Emperors demanded it at their banquets, not merely for flavor, but for its power to counteract toxins in the food. In India, Ayurveda praised ginger as the universal medicine, capable of balancing the body's energies and cleansing its systems. It was said to stoke the internal fire, the Agni, that keeps life vibrant and strong. Arab traders carried dried ginger across deserts, packed in woven sacks, its scent mingling with frankincense and spices along the Silk Road. By the Middle Ages, ginger had become a prized treasure in Europe, worth more than gold by weight. It flavored feasts, healed winter colds, and even found its way into medieval love potions. Sailors carried it across stormy seas to ward off nausea and seasickness. The root's fiery oils and compounds worked like magic, calming a turbulent stomach while sharpening the mind. Its key compound, gingerol, gave it that unmistakable heat, and the medicinal punch modern science now praises. Gingerol's anti-inflammatory powers soothe aching joints, easing the pain of arthritis without the side effects of harsh drugs. It's no wonder that in traditional herbal medicine, ginger was given to warriors before battle to keep their bodies agile and strong. Today, scientists confirm what healers always knew. Ginger stimulates blood flow, enhances immunity, and helps the body fight infection. 1 cup of ginger tea can melt away a chill, clear a congested chest, and bring warmth to cold hands and feet. It's like a gentle fire burning within, spreading life back into the veins. Fresh ginger slices, steeped in hot water, release fragrant steam that seems to carry away fatigue with every breath. In the kitchen, ginger transforms food into something alive. From the stir-fries of China to the curries of India, its spice dances across the tongue, adding depth and brightness to every bite. In Japan, pickled ginger cleanses the palate between delicate slices of sushi. In Jamaica, ginger beer fizzes with tropical sweetness and a fiery kick. In England, gingerbread has long been a holiday tradition, a comfort in the coldest months. This root has no borders. It has traveled, adapted, and conquered kitchens and cultures across the world. But ginger is more than a flavor. It's a natural pharmacy. It eases morning sickness in expectant mothers, offering relief without harm to the child. It helps athletes recover faster, reducing muscle pain after intense training. It even supports heart health by lowering cholesterol and improving circulation. And in a world where colds and flus are always lurking, ginger is a steadfast ally. Its natural compounds help the body produce more white blood cells, the warriors of the immune system. Add a squeeze of lemon and a drizzle of honey, and you have a soothing remedy that has been passed down through generations. Ginger's versatility is endless. Dried, fresh, powdered, candied, or juiced, each form holds its own charm. Powdered ginger slips into baked goods and sauces with ease. Fresh ginger bursts with zest, ideal for teas, marinades, and soups. Candied ginger offers a sweet heat treat, perfect for settling the stomach during travel. Juiced ginger delivers a concentrated punch, often mixed with turmeric for a golden shot of wellness. Its benefits are not only felt but seen. Ginger promotes healthy skin by improving blood flow and reducing inflammation. In traditional beauty rituals, ginger masks were applied to give the face a natural glow. Some cultures even believed ginger could spark passion, calling it a natural aphrodisiac. Its heat was said to stir the blood and awaken desire. But like all powerful remedies, ginger must be used wisely. Too much can irritate the stomach, thin the blood, or cause heartburn in sensitive individuals. Moderation has always been the key. A little ginger can heal, too much can harm. Nature offers balance, and ginger embodies that truth perfectly. Today, health-conscious kitchens keep it close, blending it into smoothies, soups, and herbal tonics. Wellness enthusiasts sip ginger shots each morning, believing it primes the body for the day ahead. Chefs infuse oils with ginger to drizzle over salads and seafood. Bakers fold it into cakes, cookies, and pies, turning simple recipes into fragrant works of art. Bartenders craft cocktails laced with ginger syrup, the heat dancing with citrus and herbs. Even in the modern world of pills and prescriptions, ginger remains one of the most trusted natural remedies. It's a bridge between ancient wisdom and modern science, a root that has never lost its place in human life. Its journey from the soil to our tables is a testament to its enduring value. From farmers who nurture it under the sun to the hands that slice it into simmering pots, ginger continues to connect us to the earth. It reminds us that the simplest gifts from nature often carry the greatest power. When the air grows cold and the body feels weary, ginger is there, ready to warm, heal, and restore. One root, countless cultures, infinite possibilities. That is the magic of ginger. And it is a magic worth keeping close for the moments when life needs a little fire. So next time you hold that golden root in your hand, remember the journey it has taken. From ancient healers to modern kitchens, ginger has been our faithful companion through the ages. A symbol of warmth, a promise of health, and a reminder that sometimes the smallest roots carry the deepest strength. Like and subscribe to stay with us on this delicious journey through the world's most powerful and fascinating foods.